What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the ShockerRacing Garage. James here, and I am actually not in the ShockerRacing Garage today. I'm actually in my dad's garage. You can see he's got some different toys here, but we are going to be getting to our very first how-to video for the new Bronco. So the very first thing most people want to do when they get the Bronco home is program the garage door opener, if you do in fact have the garage door opener buttons like this 2021 Badlands Sasquatch with the Lux package hat. Now, I believe our Bronco, when it comes, is not gonna have the garage door opener buttons, but this one does. Let's go around in here. So you'll see right up here on the visor, you've got the 3 garage door opener buttons that can be programmed to your garage doors. So for those of you that do, I am going to go ahead and show you today how we program that to make the garage door openers work with these buttons. So let's get to it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is pull your Bronco outside of your garage. I'm not 100% sure why Ford recommends this. I'm sure it's some sort of safety precaution. So we're going to follow the rules, and we are going to pull the Bronco out into the driveway here. All right, so we're going to get it outside the garage for safety precautions, and we'll get to the install. So the first thing you want to do after pulling your vehicle out of the garage is you want to make sure that you want to shut it off. You don't want the vehicle or the engine running. You do want to make sure that the vehicle is in the run position without the engine running. So I'm going to flip the camera around to show you here. So what you want to do without having your foot on the brake, you want to press the button, and that will kind of power up the interior here. So full accessory power active. And we just clear that. We don't have to do that, but come on, focus phone. All right, so now we do have the vehicle in the run position without the engine actually on. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a garage door opener that is already programmed to your door and ready to be programmed to the Homelink buttons here. Okay, so go ahead and press the first button that you want to program. You'll see it begins to flash, and then grabbing your remote, you want to hold it within 1 to 3 inches of it and press it and hold. We are waiting to see the Homelink button, or the light that's flashing, change to constant. There we go, or actually the fast flash. So that should mean that it is programmed. So now what you want to do is press and hold for 2 seconds. And it says you may have to do it twice. And there we go. The door is closing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat the process one more time for the second smaller door. Basically the same thing. I'm just going to use a different button on the visor to program here. So for the second door, I'm just going to press the middle one, wait for it to start flashing, and then on my opener it's also the middle button. So I'm just going to press and hold until I see the light start flashing rapidly like we did the first time. Now, because I pressed this button, my garage door closed. Now it's done. So what I should see is when I press this, and again, it took twice the last time. So 1, 2. So the door didn't do anything. I'm going to try it again the second time. 1, 2. And I just heard the door start opening. So just like that, we have both garage door openers programmed and ready to go in the Bronco here. This was a super quick, easy setup process, so shouldn't be too hard. If you guys do have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments below. I'm always glad to help and try to answer all the questions I get. Make sure that you do subscribe to our channel. We do have a lot more Bronco content coming soon. I am planning on doing another quick little video on how to program the door buttons so that you can program or change the code on your Bronco door. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys one last quick little tip here. So on your radio screen here, if you switch over to the features tab, so if you go from like your audio over to the features tab, what you'll see is that the owner's manual is right here. And if you search for garage, you'll see it brings up all sorts of garage door info. But what I found is this programming the garage door to your handheld transmitter gave me the best tips and pointers for doing this. Now there is a chance that you may need a second step after you program to the transmitter, where you might have to actually also connect to your door opener motor, which is also not that hard, and it's going to depend on your garage door opener. We have the LiftMaster side mounts garage door openers in this garage, but you may need to learn it to your garage door opener. If that's the case, all the steps are right here as well, okay? So as always, if you've enjoyed this video or we've helped you out, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Like I said before, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.